reptiles and birds. In this topic, we will learn about habitat, example and general characteristics of reptiles, general external characteristics and internal anatomy of birds. Reptilia. The name reptilia refers to the creeping or crawling mode of locomotion of these animals. The reptiles, like snake, are mostly terrestrial animals. Their body is covered by dry epidermal scales. The heart is usually three-chambered. Reptiles are poikilotherms. Birds. The general characteristic features of aves, like eagle, include the presence of feathers and their flying ability. The forelimbs are modified into wings. They possess a beak. The skin is dry, without glands, and a transparent view of the wings shows the endoskeleton. The endoskeleton is fully ossified, bony, and the long bones are hollow with air cavities. The digestive tract of birds has additional chambers, the crop and gizzard. The heart is four-chambered and the respiration is through lungs. The air sacs connected to the lungs supplement respiration. They are warm-blooded, homeothermous animals. They are able to maintain a constant body temperature. The hind limbs are modified for clasping the tree branches.